We're here today on the top floor of the lovely condominium community of Atriplex, which has a working pool and is right in the heart of the Vila Verde complex. Now, as soon as you walk into this much loved winter home, you can see how beautifully it's been decorated, how well it's been maintained and improved. It is just perfect. Every detail here is immaculate. Now, this was rented out in total since it was bought off plan. It's been rented out for just 1 week, but the owners, as you can see, are very house proud and they didn't want anyone else to be able to use it because they might damage it. As a result, it's in immaculate condition. And I'll try and point out just some of the improvements as we go along. So, it's a 1 bed with a lovely sofa here that, of course, is a sofa bed, very clean, never been used, and so therefore it can easily sleep 4 people. You have got good fly screens on all of the windows. Lovely curtains, it's got a TV, it's got a Wi-Fi router here. This could very easily be rented out if you chose to, or continue to live in it either permanently or in the winter months, or just use it as your holiday retreat. I can resist no longer going out onto this beautiful balcony. So here we are, the most prominent balcony, with a view of 2 pools, one of which is the Atriplex pool. Now, the Atriplex pool is in the middle of being repaired as we speak, and as of mid-October 2024, the estimates are that it will be completed and cleaned within a week. The owners all grouped together to help pay for improvements to the pool. And so what you're going to have in less than a week is an absolutely superb pool. And how about this sunshine? So, the sunshine is now almost directly overhead, it being 1:45 in the afternoon. The sun will rise behind us in the east and then come over until it sets in the west in front of us. So from here, you can have a wonderful sunbathing session and enjoy the sunset. Improvements to keep any nests or pigeons from coming along. There are, on top of these lovely pergola beams, there are spikes. The sunbed. Now, the owners have asked me to point out that everything is included. They're not going to be carrying any of this home with them, so it is sold as seen. Now, the only thing that is not working is the air conditioning. Usually to get this service is around €750 per unit. To get them replaced completely would be just $1,500 for each aircon unit fully fitted. And you would only need 2. So it really is set up for perfect living, indoor-outdoor living. The kitchen is fully fitted with storage opposite. You've got a large American-style fridge freezer, a microwave and oven, then with a hob, very nice splashback, extractors over. All the cupboard doors are intact, and you have a working washing machine here. Apart from small personal items, all the crockery will be included. It really is sold as seen. So moving through now, the design of these 1 beds, these particular 1 beds are excellent because it really does feel like you have a nice entrance hallway, complete with your entry phone system and aircon control. And then as you enter to your left, you have an electricity control cupboard, also great storage for all those things like mops that you don't want out on display. Then you have your bathroom. Again, fantastic attention to detail here. A really good shower unit. Easy access, especially if you have any accessibility needs. Towel rails, beautiful shelf here. Even in the bathroom, the attention to detail is superb. There's an extractor above. We've got your toilet here. No bidet in this one, but the plumbing is available for it if you need one. And then with the separate door, one of the prettiest bedrooms I have seen. Just lovely. So this is a very clever bed system. Some people in Vila Verde opted for it, whereby you can push the beds together to have a large double, or pull them apart and these side cabinets will move in between to make it a twin. It's simply gorgeous. To say this is ready to move into is an understatement. This would be a superb luxury letting. It's just downstairs from here is a really good restaurant and bar. The bar is open at reasonable hours, not a noisy bar, and has live music sometimes. It's literally just downstairs. This is one of the reasons this is so popular. And then with that pool, free shuttle buses to the beaches and to Santa Maria. What a great rental this would make. Fly screens again. Even the curtain rails are worth noting because it's just so good. So, this is a reluctant sale and offers will be invited. It's one that simply must be seen and I'm sure will be sold very quickly. So early viewing of this splendid apartment is highly recommended.